In this video, you will learn how to use the Mindbody app for business. First, download and install the Mindbody app. Search for the Mindbody Business in your app's phone, Apple App Store or Google Play Store, then install it. Log into your account, enter your business credentials, such as your username and your password, to access your Mindbody account. Set up your profile, add business details, hours, services, pricing and team members. This can all help clients find you and book you very easily. Manage appointments and classes, view your calendar, add or reschedule appointments, check class roster and track attendance directly in the app. Process payments, take payments from the clients and integrated payments, whether by cash, card or phone payments. Market your business, create promotions, send automated messages and reach out to clients directly from the app to keep them engaged. Monitor reports and performance, analyze book trends and payments, attendance and other data to make smart business decisions. Provide a convenient experience for many clients. Allow clients to book, pay, reschedule and check their schedule directly from their phone, strengthening loyalty and satisfaction. Now you know how to use the Mindbody app for business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.